Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and today I'm sitting in the car with my father Nico. We are on our way to the gallery in Brummen, a little place nearby Apeldoorn and Arnhem in the Netherlands. You got the place called the Gallery Aaldering, and it's a dealership that got classic cars and Ferraris, of course. And well, they got a lot of cars in stock, around 350 usually. So we decided we had some time left to go there and have a look. I don't know if we are allowed to film in there. We'll see. And otherwise I'm gonna take some beautiful pictures and make a nice picture compilation for you guys. So, well, stop the talking. I'll see you at the gallery. Well, here we are at the gallery. Nice building. See behind me. We're just going to get inside and have a look at what beautiful pieces of art they have here. Let's have a look. Okay, we're in the basement right now. And I just want to show you the Vetro Racina version of my car. Ah, nice. It's the California mirrors. Here we have the 512 BBI, I guess. Fantastic. Yes. Well, have a look around. We're in the basement right now. Can show you them all, but this is only the basement. Absolutely incredible collection of cars. Dino. And not only the cars look fantastic, but also the lighting here. I'm not a Merc fan, but this is... have a look. Ooh, that's a very nice spec. Manual transmission. Solta. Azzurro, California. Almost. Lotus Sunbeam. A white dino. Milky white. Oh. Almost 700,000 euros. But what an amazing car. Look at this. I absolutely love the dinos. Just walking through, we're going to walk to my favorite car, the 575 Superamerica. Let's have a look. That's not it, but it's fun. Here it is. The roof is foldable, so they fold it on the back. Look at this. How much? Almost 280. Mean looking machine. With this one you get a free screwdriver. The Tommaso Pantera. Tobacco. Excuus. Een Gazzo 1500. also named platje. Okay, that's a funny word in our language. I kind of like it. Strange looking machine. Ford GT40. I love the color. Let's see something very interesting. More fit. Cars, cars, I see cars. Well, lots and lots of cars. I absolutely adore this place. Another Maranello. Black. Perfect colors. 105,000 euros. Check. Well, that was the gallery. I don't think you could hear my voice because it was I was talking very quietly. Never mind, because when you're watching the video, I already made a voiceover, I think, or not, depending on how it sounded, but that's okay. There is a fantastic collection. I saw a lot of cars I would love to have in my garage, especially for me the 575 Superamerica, one of my favorite Ferraris. Apart from that, thank you very much for watching this video again, and well, I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. But I almost forgot. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Goodbye.